Kamaraj was born 15 July 1903 to Kumarasamy Nadar and Sivagami Ammal at Virudhunagar near Madurai in Tamil Nadu. His parents were from a trading family. His real name was Kamakshi Kumarasamy but was affectionately shortened to Raja by his mother. Sivagami Ammal, his father, Kumarasamy Nadar, was a coconut merchant. Kamaraj was enrolled at the local elementary school, the Endai Nayanar Vidyalaya, but was later shifted to high school Kasatriya Vidyalaya. Unfortunately, his father died within a year of Kamaraj's enrollment in school. Kamaraj's mother sold all jewelry expert her hearing and deposited the money with a local merchant and cared for entire family on the monthly interest the money earned. Kamaraj dropped out of school when he was in 6th grade. When he entered mainstream public life, he felt handicapped and realized the importance of good education. He educated himself during his periods of imprisonment. Kamaraj joined as an apprentice in his maternal uncle Karupaya cloth shop after dropping out of school. At the age of 16, Kamaraj enrolled himself as full-time worker of the Congress. He invited speakers, organized meeting at collected fund for a party. He also participated in march to Vedaranyam led by C. Rajagopalachari as a part of SALT. Rajagopalachari as part of the SALT Satyagraha of March 1930. Kamaraj was arrested and sent to Alipur jail in Calcutta for 2 years. Kamaraj was arrested again in 1940 and sent to Vellore Central Prison while he was his way to Varda to get Gandhiji approval for a list of satyagrahis. While still in jail, Kamaraj was elected chairman of the Municipal Council of Madurai. 9 months later, upon his release, Kamaraj went straight to the municipality and tendered his resignations from his post. He felt that one should not accept any post to which one could not to do full justice. Kamaraj was arrested once more in 1942 and sentenced to 3 years in Amaravati prison of spreading propaganda material for the Quiet India movement initiated by Gandhiji. On April 13, 1954, K. Kamaraj reluctantly became the Chief Minister of Madras Province. To everyone's surprise, Kamaraj nominated C. Subramaniam and M. Bhagyavasaram, who had contested his leadership. To the newly formatted cabinet, Kamaraj removed the family occasions-based hereditary education policy introduced by Rajaji. He reopened the 6,000 schools closed by previous government for financial reasons and also added 12,000 more schools. The state made immense studies in education and trade. New schools were opened to the poor rural students were to walk on more than 3 miles to the nearest school. Better facilities were added to existing ones. No village remained without a primary schools and no panchayat without a high school. Rajagopalachari as part of the SALT Satyagraha of March 1930. Kamaraj was arrested and sent to Alipur jail in Calcutta for 2 years. Kamaraj was arrested again in 1940 and sent to Vellore Central Prison while he was on his way to Varda to get Gandhiji approval for a list of satyagrahis. While still in jail, Kamaraj was elected chairman of the Municipal Council of Madurai. 9 months later, upon his release, Kamaraj went straight to municipality and tendered his resignations from his post. He felt that one should not accept any post to which one could not do full justice. Kamaraj was arrested once more in 1942 and sentenced to 3 years in the Amaravati prison for spreading propaganda material for the Quiet India movement initiated by the Gandhiji. He introduced the midday meal scheme to provide at least one meal per day to the lack of poor school children. First time in the whole world, he introduced free school uniform to wid outcasts. creed and class distinctions among young minds, Kamaraj remained Chief Minister for three consecutive terms on October 2, 1963. He resigned from the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister post. In 1963, he suggested to Nehru that senior Congress leader should leave ministerial posts to take up organizational work. This suggestion came to be known as the Kamaraj Plan, which was designated primarily to dispel from the minds of congressmen the lure for power. Kamaraj was elected President Indian National Congress on October 9, 1963. Kamaraj managed to average a contest with great difficulty. Morarji Desai was prevailed upon by the syndicate to accept deputy prime ministership under the Indira Gandhi, who was once again elected the CPP leader by consensus. Kamaraj presided over three sessions of Indian National Congress: Bhubaneswar 1964, Durgapur 1965, and Jaipur 1966. In the 1967 general election with the step rise of the DMK in Madras, Tamil Nadu, Kamaraj lost his seat of Virudhunagar to a student leader. This undermined his prestige and stature considerably, but soon his home from Nagarkoil permanently consistent in a by-election, which divided his image to some extent. However, with the Congress split in 1969, he had decided through his loss with Morarji Desai on Congress. His relationship with Indira Gandhi had become through his law to Morarji Desai on Congress, and his relationship with Indira Gandhi had become standard. Kamaraj virtually retired from public life and died in 1975 at the age of 72. He was posthumously awarded the Bharat Ratna by Indira Gandhi government as a recognition of his high integrity, public morality, and selfless service of nation. For the fourth successive time since 1952, the Congress was retained the power in the 1967 general elections, but with its majority considerably reduced from 369 in 1962 to 285 in 1967. Morarji Desai once again emerged as a serious candidate for prime ministership. Kamaraj, who himself lost in home state, was not in same position as he was on earlier two occasions. His relationship with Indira Gandhi has also suffered to setback, and he was now closer to Morarji Desai. Kamaraj managed to average a contest with great difficulty. Morarji Desai was prevailed upon to syndicate to accept deputy prime ministership under Indira Gandhi, who was again elected to CPP leader by consensus. Comrades provide over the session of the Indian National Congress, Bhubaneswar 1964, Durgapur 1965, and Jaipur 1966. He is the in 1967 general election with steep rise of DMK in Madras. Kamaraj lost in seat of Virudhunagar to a student leader to undermined prestige and state considerably, but soon he won from Nagarkoil permanently constantly in the by-election, which divided his image to some extent. Thanks for watching.